The roots are snitching on me, honey. Alright, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm looking extra crazy today because we are going to be doing a glow up with me. So last weekend I was supposed to be in Toronto for Mother's Day with my mom, but obviously with everything going on, an international trip just wasn't a smart thing to do. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be glowing up, and then I'll post a pic on IG of what I would have worn to this brunch that we go to in Toronto. So just keep on watching and see how I transform. I'm gonna put timestamps up so you can see like hair, wig install, makeup, outfit selection, all of that. So obviously the first thing is hair. Now I will say that this glow up will be like a process, like it'll be a couple of days of a glow up. So tonight is Friday. I'll probably be finished with this on Sunday. So gotta roll the sleeves up. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. The roots are snitching on me, honey. Let me tell y'all. So what I'm going to do, because I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow, it's so filthy, like look, when it doesn't even move, it's disgusting, is I'm gonna oil down my scalp, rub it in, and then oil up my hair, and then let it soak in overnight. And then tomorrow we'll wash and continue the antics. Okay, so I'm just gonna coconut oil this down and braid it, and then we'll be back. All right, and we move. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like in the braids. Like I said, I oiled it, like oiled the scalp, rubbed it in, you guys saw that, and then coconut oil like all down the ends and everything. And I'm gonna put my bonnet on and I'm gonna go to sleep. And then tomorrow we're gonna wash my hair and install a wig. So anyways, I just finished braiding my hair. So this is what it looks like. It's like 6 braids and then 4 braids in the back. And then it's like all gathered up and then bobby pinned in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. But anyways, this is the vibe right now. And then I put some oil. I put some oil on my scalp. Oiled my scalp with this. Then this is like a very heavy oil, so I did the end of my braids with this. This was like right here for the edges because they're a little thin right now. And then I sprayed my braids with this because I know my braids are gonna get super dry because I'm just gonna keep doing wigs and wigs and wigs until we can go back outside. So I'm going to let this sit on my hair, let the oil kind of soak in. There's not really a rush to put the wig on today. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna let it chill out, and then I'll put the wig on. I'll do the wig cap method and everything. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. I'll see how I feel. Probably tonight because I don't want the braids to get like messy overnight, but we'll see. So yeah, the glow up continues.
September, love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away. Baddie, say you remember. Baddie, dancing in September. Baddie, never was a cloudy day. Say to you, Baddie, say to you, remember. Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LA BB, who we running